Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Horion hacked client. So once you've downloaded the injector and you've got the version, the Minecraft Bedrock launcher running in the right version and all that sorted, you're going to want to know how to use the Horion hacked client. So the first thing, and probably the most important thing that you need to know, is how to set the click GUI bind so that you have a key to open the hacks menu with. So to do this, you're going to want to press the T button, or just open the chat with whatever key you've got it set to. And we're going to type .bind space click GUI, not glick GUI, click GUI, click GUI, and then you're going to do space, and then you're going to type whichever key you want to set to the binded key. I like to bind the key to P. So now when you press whichever button you've set it to, in my case P, it will open the hacks menu here. Basically we're just going to go over how to use the modules and all that. So if you hold left click on a module, while you're holding the left click, it will move the module around. When you let go, it will place it back down again. Right clicking on the module at the very top will close all of the hack menus that you've got here. So right clicking will close. Right clicking will also reopen the hack menus. So if you want to open them all up again, you just right click on all of these and it will open all of the hack menus up. To enable a specific hack that you want to use, that's left click. So left click is enable. Right click on a specific hack will expand the hack's settings here. So for example, aimbot, you can change the range of the aimbot, the horizontal speed, the vertical speed, horizontal range, vertical range, whether or not there is aim lock, and also whether or not you want to include mobs as targets for the aimbot. That's pretty much all the basics that you need to know on how to do this. Everything else is pretty straightforward. If you want to see what a specific hack does, just hover over the hack. So for example, anti-void. Now down in the very bottom left hand corner you will see a little thing that says automatically teleports you back up if you fall down more than X blocks. So if we were to expand this, it will teleport you back up depending on how high you set this. So by default it's set to 5. You can set it all the way up to 20. So that means that if you fall that specific distance of blocks, then it will assume that you fell into the void and teleport you back up. I've got auto sneak. This is basically just toggling the shift button down constantly, but without you having to press the shift button. Not particularly useful. You can already do this with vanilla settings, at least in Java I know. Auto sprint, this just makes it so that you automatically sprint without having to double tap W or press control. Bunny hop just makes you hop pretty much wherever you go automatically, just spams the jump click button. There's Olectralab, which is just Olectralab. Then we've got fast ladder. This just makes it so you climb ladders faster. Fast stop, stops fast. Fly enables flight, obviously. Follow path also is another one that you can use as well, but for some reason it doesn't enable. So I'm not sure if you can actually use this one, because when you click on the follow path it doesn't enable. I've also got glide, high jump, and you know, the list is pretty big. It's not as many hacks as you get with, for example, the Zephyr client, which definitely offers more different variety. But it is fairly visually appealing. It's got the nice little rounded corners on the module. There is no button that I can see in here that removes the specific client that you've injected here. So with the Zephyr client, you can click a button in the miscellaneous menu, which uninstalls the hack menu. You can't do that with the Horion client. Still a good client though, relatively good. That's how you use it. If you want to get out of the hacks menu again, if for some reason you don't know how to do this, you just press escape and then escape again, and that will be back into here. There is, I think, a button probably for removing the little Horion window up in the top left there, if that's getting in your way. It's somewhere in here, there's a setting for it. Yes, so the button for disabling the little menu up in the top left hand corner, so it looks sort of vanilla, is you press P or whatever toggle key it is to open the click GUI, and it's tab GUI. So tab GUI is the one that controls whether or not you have that little tab up in the top hand corner there. You can turn that off. There's also the click GUI and the array list. So if you turn the array list off, that will get rid of the menu on the other side as well. so you can have it looking like it's complete vanilla Bedrock Minecraft, if you should so choose. Say you're a type of person who likes to hack without letting people know that you hack, or you're recording a video or something, you can do that. But yeah, that's basically how to use the Horion Hacked client. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Goodbye.